This video is to show how to send emails from Excel with the data populated in your Excel table based on what is under each header. It can then go through mail merge in Word and sent out of your Outlook 365 account. It's really easy with no coding required. So first you're going to open your Outlook, make sure that's open. Next you're going to have your Excel spreadsheet with whatever data you want populated in your personalized email. Then you're going to open up Word. This is going to be where you can either copy and paste a previously sent email from Outlook into here as a template, or create a whole new document. You can include images and whatever you want and use that as your email template. I am going to be using one that I had sent to a client previously. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to go back to Word. Put it all in there. This is the email template we typically use. Then we have fields in here that we need to change for each person, and this is going to be changed via whatever is in Excel that we have put in here. So we usually put our student list in here of how to access your account, which includes a personalization of their name, the product they're using, and the username and password that we set for them, and then it gets changed the first time they log in. So we're going to go through here and I'll show you how to merge these. So first you're going to click on mailings in Word, then you're going to go start mail merge, email messages, and you'll see it change the formatting a little bit. And here's where we're going to start selecting our fields. So next you're going to go select recipients, use an existing list. This is where you're going to find your Excel document wherever you have it saved. So I have mine. And then it's going to have this pop-up box. Make sure, first off, that you have headers set up under each column, and then also that you have this check that says first row data contains column headers. Click OK. All right, so here I want the individual's name to change based on my Excel data. So first you're going to highlight where you want it to get put. You put insert merge field, and as you can see, this corresponds to what is in my Excel document headers. So we'll hit name. Next I want the product to change. So I'm going to go highlight that, insert merge field, product, and make sure to put your spaces in to format however you want it. Next we're going to change up the email. We're going to do the insert merge field email, and it is bolded already. And then password. We're going to do insert merge field, password. Okay, so everything else is the templated how I want everyone else to see, everyone in our list to get the same template, but I want those items to be personalized. So now that I've done that, inserted the fields, I can hit preview results. And here you can toggle through and see everybody in your Excel document. So as I go through, as you can see, it changes the email and their password and the product associated with the one they're getting. Finally, hit finish and merge, send email messages. Here's where you change your subject line to whatever you want. So test message. I'm going to leave this as email. Defaults to HTML. This means it'll be able to include images and however you formatted it in Word. You can choose to select specific records, the current record you're on, or you can send it to all. We're going to go to all. Hit OK. It'll blip a couple times. Now if you go to your emails, you'll see that they all sent, and they are all changed appropriately, matching what it was on the Excel document. Pretty easy.